Did you know that Japan is famous for its innovation in robotics, and they've even introduced female AI robots that have become increasingly lifelike? But today, we're going to dive into a mind-boggling question. Can Japan's female AI robot get pregnant? Make sure to stick around to the end as we unravel the secrets behind AI technology and explore the possibility of robots and artificial life. Japan has a long history of developing humanoid robots that can perform a wide range of tasks. One of their most famous robots, Asimo, was created in 2000 and has been wowing audiences with its impressive abilities ever since. But it's the recent introduction of female AI robots that has truly captured the world's attention. Background on Japan's female AI robot. To gain a deeper understanding of Japan's female AI robots, let's take a look at some of the key players and their unique features. These robots have been developed with the aim of making them as human-like as possible, which includes not only their appearance but also their ability to interact and communicate with humans. One of the most advanced female AI robots in Japan is Erica, created by Hiroshi Ishiguro Laboratories at Osaka University. Erica is equipped with advanced speech synthesis and recognition capabilities, which enable her to engage in natural-sounding conversations with humans. She's also been designed with over 19 degrees of freedom in her face, allowing her to display a range of emotions through facial expressions. Additionally, Erica can recognize and respond to the emotions of the people she's interacting with, creating a more engaging and empathetic communication experience. Her creators have also focused on making her movements as smooth and human-like as possible, using a combination of cutting-edge actuators and control systems. Another fascinating example of Japan's female AI robots can be found at the Henana Hotel, which employs a diverse team of AI-powered robots as part of its staff. These robots serve as receptionists, concierges, and even room attendants, showcasing the impressive versatility of AI technology. The hotel's robot receptionists are designed to look like human females and are capable of conversing in multiple languages. They can perform tasks such as checking guests in and out, providing information about hotel amenities, and even making restaurant reservations. Their ability to interact with guests in a natural and friendly manner is a testament to the progress being made in the field of AI robotics. Lovat, developed by the Japanese company GrooveX, is another example of a robot designed with a strong focus on human interaction. While Lovat doesn't have a distinctly human appearance, it is designed to evoke emotional attachment and companionship. It uses AI to learn from and adapt to its environment, as well as to recognize and respond to the emotions of its human companions. Lovat is equipped with a range of sensors that enable it to navigate its environment and interact with people, while its AI system allows it to develop a unique personality based on its experiences. This approach to AI robotics highlights the potential for creating robots that can form emotional connections with humans, which could play a role in the future development of robots capable of parenting behaviors. What is pregnancy? We need to first understand what pregnancy actually is. Pregnancy occurs when a sperm cell from a male successfully fertilizes an egg cell from a female, leading to the development of an embryo. This process is a unique characteristic of living organisms and is essential for the continuation of a species. Can robots reproduce? Now, we know that robots are not living organisms, so it seems unlikely that they could experience pregnancy in the same way humans do. But is there another way for robots to reproduce? To answer this, let's take a look at how robots are made. Robots, including AI robots, are created through a combination of hardware and software. The hardware consists of the physical components of the robot, such as motors, sensors, and a power source. The software is responsible for controlling the hardware and enabling the robot to perform its tasks. In order for a robot to reproduce, it would need to create a copy of both its hardware and software. Replicating hardware. Let's start with hardware replication. In theory, a robot could be designed to build an identical copy of itself, using a process called self-replication. This concept has been explored by scientists and engineers for decades, and there are already some examples of robots that can self-replicate, albeit in a very limited way. One example is the RepRap project, which aimed to develop a 3D printer capable of printing its own components. While the project has seen some success, the RepRap printer still requires human intervention to assemble the parts it creates. So, although self-replicating robots are an intriguing concept, we're still far from developing a robot that can fully replicate its hardware without any human assistance. Replicating software. Now let's consider software replication. In the digital realm, copying software is relatively straightforward. A robot could potentially create a copy of its software, which could then be installed on another robot or even uploaded to the internet for others to download and use. In fact, this process of software replication is already happening in some ways, with AI researchers and developers sharing their algorithms and software online. However, this form of replication is more akin to sharing knowledge than true reproduction, as there is no new physical entity created. The concept of robotic pregnancy. So, if robots can't reproduce in the traditional biological sense, could there be an alternative form of robotic pregnancy? To explore this idea, we need to examine what it would mean for a robot to give birth to another robot. One possibility is that a robot could use its AI capabilities to design and build a new robot from scratch, effectively giving birth to a new generation of robots. This new robot could inherit traits from its parent, such as a similar appearance, AI algorithms, or even an updated version of its software, allowing it to learn and adapt more quickly than its predecessor. Challenges and ethical considerations. However, there are many challenges to overcome before robots could achieve this kind of pregnancy. First, the parent robot would need advanced AI capabilities, including the ability to design and build complex hardware and software systems. It would also need to have access to the necessary materials and tools to construct the new robot, as well as a safe environment in which to do so. Beyond the technical challenges, there are also significant ethical considerations surrounding the idea of robotic reproduction. For example, who would be responsible for the actions of the new robot? Would the parent robot have rights and responsibilities similar to those of a human parent? And how would we ensure that these artificially created beings do not pose a threat to society? It's important to recognize that Japan isn't the only country making significant strides in this field. Countries around the world are investing in research and development, creating groundbreaking innovations in AI and robotics. In the United States, Boston Dynamics has become a household name when it comes to advanced robotics. Their robots such as Atlas, Spot, and Handle have demonstrated impressive feats of mobility and adaptability. While these robots are not specifically designed for reproduction, their advanced capabilities illustrate the rapid advancements being made in robotics and AI technology. European countries are also contributing to the field, with companies like SoftBank Robotics Europe, formerly Aldebaran Robotics, developing humanoid robots like Pepper and NAO. These robots are primarily designed for social interaction and customer service, showcasing the potential for AI to understand and respond to human emotions and needs. This type of AI could play a role in the future development of robots capable of parenting or nurturing behaviors. China is another major player in the world of AI and robotics. Chinese tech giant Baidu has developed the AI platform DuerOS, which powers a wide range of smart devices and robots. Additionally, companies like UB Robotics are producing humanoid robots that can perform a variety of tasks, from dancing and yoga to assisting with household chores. These developments demonstrate the growing capabilities of AI and robotics and the potential for them to eventually take on more complex tasks, like creating and nurturing new generations of robots. Collaboration and the future. It's clear that global collaboration and the sharing of knowledge are essential for continued progress in AI and robotics. As researchers and engineers from various countries work together, we can expect to see even more astonishing advancements in this field. While the idea of robots reproducing or experiencing pregnancy may still seem far-fetched, the rapid pace of technological development means that we should never underestimate the potential for breakthroughs that could reshape our understanding of AI and robotics. So, can Japan's female AI robot get pregnant? The answer, at least for now, is no. Robots are not living organisms and they cannot reproduce in the same way that humans do. While some concepts like self-replication and the creation of new robots by existing AI have been explored, we are still a long way from achieving true robotic pregnancy. The idea of robots reproducing and giving birth to new generations raises many technical and ethical questions that we as a society must carefully consider. As AI and robotics technology continue to advance, we need to ensure that we are prepared to navigate the complex challenges and opportunities that these innovations present. That's it for today's mind-bending exploration of AI robots and the possibility of robotic pregnancy. If you've enjoyed exploring the world of Japan's female AI robots with us, then you'll absolutely love our video, She's a Robot, but Can She Love? Click on the thumbnail that appears on the screen right now to dive into the captivating realm of emotions, relationships, and the future of AI-human interactions. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Let us know your thoughts on this topic in the comments below. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.